Imagine a life where every day you're becoming better than you were yesterday. A life where you're constantly growing, evolving, and reaching new heights. That's not just a dream, my friends. That's the reality I'm here to help you create. You see, success isn't about a single moment of triumph. It's not about reaching one goal and then resting on your laurels. No, true success is about continuous improvement. It's about waking up every single day with a burning desire to be better than you were the day before. Now, I want you to lean in close and listen carefully, because what I'm about to share with you, you could change the entire trajectory of your life. Your mindset, let's start with the foundation of all success. Your mindset. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant in it will grow. So I ask you, what are you planting in your mind each day? Are you planting seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation? Are you planting seeds of possibility, courage, and abundance? Every day, you must consciously work on improving your mindset. Challenge those negative thoughts that creep in. Replace I can't with how can I. Replace that's impossible with what if it were possible. You see, your mind is the most powerful tool you possess. It can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. The choice is yours. Will you let your mind hold you back, or will you train it to propel you forward? I remember a young man who came to me beaten down by life's challenges. He believed he was destined for mediocrity. But day by day, we worked on his mindset. We planted new seeds of belief. And within a year, that same young man had started his own business and was impacting lives in ways he never thought possible. That's the power of improving your mindset daily. It's not about grand gestures. It's about those small, consistent shifts in how you think. It's about choosing empowering thoughts over limiting ones day after day after day. 2, your health. Now, let's talk about your health. Your body is the vehicle through which you experience life. If that vehicle is broken down, how can you expect to go anywhere? Improving your health daily doesn't mean you need to run a marathon every morning. It's about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. Maybe it's choosing water instead of that sugary drink. Maybe it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Maybe it's going to bed 15 minutes earlier to get more rest. You see, your health isn't just about your physical body. It's about your energy levels, your mood, your ability to focus and perform. When you improve your health, you improve every aspect of your life. I once met a woman who was struggling in her career. She was always tired, always stressed, always one step behind. We started working on her health, small changes day by day. She started eating better, moving more, sleeping well. And you know what? Her career took off. She had more energy, more clarity, more drive. All because she committed to improving her health. Remember, you only get one body in this life. Treat it like the precious gift it is. Nourish it, move it, rest it. Your future self will thank you. 3, your skills. In this rapidly changing world, if you're not growing, you're dying. That's why the 3rd thing you must improve daily is your skills. Now, I'm not talking about becoming a jack of all trades. I'm talking about honing the skills that are crucial to your success. What are the skills that will take you to the next level in your career? What are the skills that will help you solve problems more effectively? What are the skills that will make you indispensable? Identify those skills and commit to improving them every single day. Maybe it's public speaking, maybe it's writing, maybe it's coding, whatever it is. Make a plan to get better at it day by day. Read books, take courses, practice, seek feedback. Even just 15 minutes a day can make a world of difference over time. Remember, excellence is not an act, but a habit. You become excellent by consistently doing excellence. I once worked with a young entrepreneur who was struggling to grow his business. He had the passion, he had the idea, but he lacked certain skills. So we made a plan. Every day he would spend time improving his marketing skills, his financial literacy, his leadership abilities. It wasn't easy, but he stuck with it. And you know what? Within 2 years, his business had tripled in size. All because he committed to improving his skills daily. 4, your relationships. Human beings are social creatures. We thrive on connection. That's why the 4th thing you must improve daily is your relationships. Now, when I say relationships, I'm not just talking about romantic partnerships. I'm talking about all your relationships with your family, your friends, your colleagues, your clients, even your relationship with yourself. Okay, ask yourself, how can I add value to someone's life today? How can I be a better listener? How can I show more appreciation? How can I resolve conflicts more? You see, success is not a solo journey. The higher you want to go, the more you need a strong support system. And that support system is built one interaction at a time, one day at a time. I remember a CEO who was brilliant at strategy, but struggled with team morale. This company was successful on paper, but turnover was high and innovation was low. We worked on improving his relationships daily, showing more empathy, giving more recognition, fostering more collaboration. Time to transformation was remarkable. Not only did team morale skyrocket, but the company's performance reached new heights. All because he committed to improving his relationships daily. Remember, at the end of your life, it won't be your bank balance or your job title that matters most. It will be the lives you've touched, the relationships you've nurtured. So invest in them daily. 5, in today's world, focus is a superpower. We're constantly bombarded with distractions, notifications, and information overload. That's why the 5th thing you must improve daily is your focus. Think of your focus like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Every day, practice concentrating deeply on one task at a time. Start with just 5 minutes if you need to, then gradually increase the duration. Turn off notifications when you're working. Create a distraction-free environment. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to structure your work time. Train your mind to stay present and engage. You see, your ability to focus directly impacts your productivity, your creativity, and the quality of your work. When you can focus deeply, you can achieve in hours what might take others days. I once coached a writer who was struggling to finish her novel. She had the talent, but she couldn't seem to make progress. We worked on improving her focus daily. She started with 15-minute focused writing sessions, gradually increasing to an hour. She created a ritual around her writing time to signal to her brain that it was time to focus. And you know what? Within 6 months, she had completed her novel. All because she committed to improving her focus daily. Remember, in a world of constant distraction, the ability to focus deeply is a rare and valuable skill. Cultivate it daily and watch how it transforms your life and work. Your ability to impact the world is immeasurable. Believe in yourself, commit to daily improvement, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. The word is waiting for the unique gifts only you can offer. Well, step forward with confidence, with purpose, with a commitment to becoming better each day. Your journey of daily improvement starts now. Embrace it, enjoy it, and let it lead to the extraordinary life you were meant to live.